Tan! Venus Roar!
Yes.
Saan ko to kaya na?
Ha?
Saan ako pupunta?
Mamasad siya ko eh.
Go!
And guys, shout out nga pala sa mga vendors dito. Merry Merry Christmas! And they have a prosperous New Year to each one of you. By the way guys, Venus Roar also would love to, sige po, would love to what do you call this? To plug my Facebook account name, Elvis Oka Salonga, also known as Venus Roar. Because Venus Roar signifies beauty inside and out, and I'm just giving the sweet positive vibes. Yes. At kapag sinabi dito rin, fake one lang. Pero sa totoong buhay, maraming beses man tayong madapa, laban lang. Because you'll never know, kakatukin sa atin ang swerte. And we don't need to stick into this negativity, but instead, into this positivity. Hindi pa sa ganon. Alam mo na, ang sinasabi mo. Thank you so much, guys!